How y'all doing today? I'm Mike Oakes with Earthworks, coming to you from Ms. Hodgkin's house. We have a full renovation going on today. She has been a client previously of ours for many years. She's getting some paver work done today. She's getting plants taken out and she's getting plants put back in. 3 Robellinis. We have lots of bottle brush. We have Birds of Paradise, Society Garlic, Liriope, you name it, we have it. For day 1, we normally have all of our prep. So we'll come out, we'll do all of our demolition, we'll do the prep for the pavers, irrigation, check, make sure there is no irrigation in the way or lines in the way of our pavers or just in general of where we're planting our trees. We try to be very cautious of all that because water is our enemy. So we try to, like I said, be very cautious around the pipes and irrigation. Day 2 will be install of the pavers. And usually our final days will be the plants. So our final day will come in, we'll add all of our plants, make everything nice and beautiful for you at your house. We have the polymeric sand also that goes in final day, as long as it's not raining, because like I said, water is our enemy with that. And pressure washing after everything is complete. So we give you a nice clean driveway from our marks driving up and down, all the heavy debris, and all of our footprints from it being so muddy and soggy out here. We just try to clean everything up and make it look like as if we were never even there. There was a lack of shade back here, and the customer would like some shade, so we brought in these Robellinis, single trunks. We put them inside the planter boxes to accent the patio. We added a couple of the shrimp plants, little blue days, just give it a little bit of color, make everything pop back here. So on this patio, we have a step. The reason why we have the step is because it was a little too much for the client. So we added a step so it's a little bit easier for her to walk down. The grade back here is very steep, so she just wanted to make sure she wasn't gonna fall down her hill when she's back here gardening. And we also added a smaller patio by the entry of the gate for entry of like lawnmowers or riding lawnmowers, just so things won't sink. So just makes it a little bit easier. Her backyard's pretty saturated, so we just try to make it as easy as possible for everybody. We also have a little malfunction on this wall. The malfunction is we have a washout. So the negativity about this is I have to pull it apart. The good thing is I do this every day, so it's pretty easy. So for me, it's not a giant problem, but in this case, it can become a giant problem, especially when we just added the Robellini in here. I don't want all the dirt and everything, all the nutrients and everything that we put in to wash out underneath. So we just take precaution here, and I'm gonna tear it apart and make it exactly the same way again, just the right way. I also wanted to give a lot of credit to this guy right here, Mr. Johnny Browner. You know, he's a new member, but he's my new second-hand man, and without his muscle and a little bit of knowledge, we wouldn't have been able to get these Robellinis into the ground as quite as easy as we did. So
it was my muscle, his knowledge, so I can't take all the credit on that. But I appreciate this guy right here.
Look forward to seeing us out on your job.